Oh, Baba, Baba, Nera, oh, Baba. Baba, Baba, oh, Baba. Baba, Nera, oh, Baba. Yes, yes, Baba, hey, waiting. Baba go sit down for seat, sit down for chair. Pikin wey climb coconut tree, iroko tree, you no go see am. So no be the man I see where they owe me money just now where they clear. Where na? Where you dey? Hey, you wahala. Ja. Ṣé fọ́? Sísá ń ṣàlùwà wá. Yóò ṣàkóso ha. Show us what show you crack for sure. Show when they help me money show you want show ha. Come. You dey speak Chinese for me so that you don't open my money, abi?
Okay, no vex, no vex. I just tire. See, no vex, abeg. Rain dey fall since. I no fit come.
Okay, rain dey fall since. Okay, if rain dey fall since because of rain go stop.
No vex. Now I no fit come my farm come uproot. I no fit come farm come clear. Abeg.
Because of rain go pause.
Abeg.
Wait.
I no know this Benin rain too dey fall for Benin. Every day rain must fall for Benin. Every day waiting. Now we dey this Nigeria.
Wait, rain dey fall for Port Harcourt.
But
rain dey fall for Port Harcourt, rain dey fall for Warri, rain dey fall for Lagos, dey fall. Okay, wait.
Oga, no vex.
For Kaduna, rain dey fall.
But Benin o worst, abeg.
Okay, make God pause rain because of you.
Abeg, no vex.
Wait, with my money. Give me your slippers. Give me.
Oga, no vex. Abeg.
Give me. Ulam. Give me your cutlass. If I sell this one, I go give me better money.
Oga, no vex now.
Condemn your favorite this one.
Oga, I get family.
Shut up, you get family. No, let me not get family.
Oga, abeg, no vex.
You owe me money since 2 years now. It is wrong. If you see the dodge, or I don't catch you now.
Oga,
I don't catch you now. Okay,
Oga,
wait. Wait. Now we'll talk about the rain.
Okay.
Since let's say no go school. Which class you stop?
SS3.
SS3.
Yes, sir.
You know which kind of SS3? Senior. Secret.
No, senior secondary school.
Okay, if you know small book, SS3.
Yes.
Now you don't know draft. What is called draft? Do you know what called draft?
Draft. All those two old men go join together. They play draft.
Go now you be draft. Now DROUGHT. When rain no dey fall for some place, that be draft. You know Tunisia?
Yes, sir.
Where Tunisia dey for Nigeria, for Africa?
Whether na South Africa.
Shut up! Tunisia dey for North Africa.
Okay. I know in Africa.
You dey Africa. You know say for 2 years, rain no fall for Tunisia.
Serious?
I dey tell you now. I mean they educate my debtor now.
2 years?
2 years, rain no fall for Tunisia. The people call they pray. All their plants, no one gree grow. I dey tell you something make you know now. 2 years, rain no fall. They go to use helicopter, they pour water for their farm for them to see food chop. You dey for here, they complain, rain dey fall. That make you know they come farm. If rain no fall, which your cassava go fall like this? If rain no fall, food go dey market, food go dey farm. You know what I'm talking about, eh? Now rain don't. Now laziness dey worry you because if rain dey fall, if you say no, wake up from your bed, make you go walk.
God.
Shebi na laziness dey worry you.
No first. God, abeg, forgive me. 2 years.
Shut up here. They talk something. They talk about 2 years. Now laziness dey worry you. Now make you know they gree one wake up. When they fall, that thing go run sleep. Wait. I go slap you now.
God, thank you. 2 years. God, thank you. 2 years. Thank you, Father. Abeg, no vex for me, Oluwa.